Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create meeting in Google Meet. So the first thing that you're going to do is head over to Google Meet or meet.google.com, and once you are here you're going to go ahead and click new meeting, and then you can go ahead and choose the following here. So if you want to create meeting for later, meeting right now, or schedule this one for future. So if say for example I want to create right away, so I can go ahead and click this one right here, and then I can go ahead and set up my microphone and camera. All right, and then just allow this one right here, and there you go. So I can then go ahead and turn on my camera and my microphone, and I should be able to start this meeting right away. And then say for example I want to invite people, I can then go ahead and do that by clicking the meeting details right here, copy joining info, and then send this to them, say for example in chat or email. So yeah, chat would be the easiest one. Again, everybody, that's how you're going to create meeting in Google Meet.